Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the measure of standard deviation in continuous series by using direct method. Number 1, direct method. In the statement the values of x and f are given. The values of x are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and last one is 70 to 80. Frequency is also given. So let us prepare a format for the further calculations. Before writing frequency, one more column that would be related to mid values, because the values are given in series, so mid values are required. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25 mid value. 35, 45. Whenever we calculate first mid value 15, then we see how much class interval is given. Class interval is of 10, then 10 will be added to the first mid value. 15, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45, 45 plus 10, 55, 55 plus 10, 65 and last one is 75. And frequency is given, which is 4, 8, 8, 16, 12, 6 and last one is 4. So if we want to calculate standard deviation in continuous series by direct method, so first of all arithmetic mean is required. X bar is equal to sigma Fm divided by n. So let us calculate Fm. Frequency will be multiplied by mid values. So no need of these values of x. These are not required. So 15 multiplied by 4, it will be 60, then 200, 280, 720, 660, 390 and last one is 300. Sigma Fm is equal to 2610 is equal to 2610 divided by n, and the values of n frequency is n is equal to 58 divided by 58 is equal to 45. So the value of arithmetic mean is equal to 45. Then for the next calculations, m minus x bar, it will be the values of d. M minus x bar, which is 45. So 45 will be subtracted from all the values of m. Minus 45, minus 45, minus 45. So the calculations will be minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10, 20 or 30. These are the values of d. M minus x bar, these are the values of small x, because we will calculate d when we assume from mid values. Rather we have taken the deviations from arithmetic mean. So instead of d we will write down small x. Then do calculate x square. For the calculation of x square, minus 30 multiplied by minus 30, 900, 400, 100, 0, 100, 400 and last one is 900. Next calculation, fx square. Fx square. For the calculation of fx square, the values will be 3600, 3200, 800, 0, 1200, 2400 and last one is 3600, and total will be 14,800. Now let us put the value in the calculation of formula. In the calculation of standard deviation is equal to sigma fx square divided by n under root is equal to 14800 divided by 58 under root is equal to 255.17 under root, and the answer is 15.97. So the value of standard deviation is equal to 15.97. So we have calculated standard deviation in a continuous series by using direct method. So that's all regarding this video. Do subscribe the channel to see all the videos related to standard deviation. Thank you.